How to add services page to your website on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to WordPress, click on pages and add new, and now wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page. Click on services right here and choose one of these templates and click on it. Now as you can see, you can edit the text, the pictures and all those informations. After you finish, click publish and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.